In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook auto logout or automatic logout problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store. Now search Facebook app and click on it. Now update your Facebook to latest version if available in update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps, application management. Click on it. Then tap on see all apps. Now search Facebook app. Click on it. Then force stop. Then OK. Then storage and cache. Clear cache. Click on manage space. Then delete. Now open your Facebook app. Then log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook auto logout or automatic logout problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.